how to change your number or your mobile number on your WeChat. Hello everyone, wherever you are, I'm gonna show you in this tutorial video how to do this. So just watch and follow this video till the end. So let's start. First, you have to open your WeChat. So after this, come right now to your profile page and come directly to your settings. So go now to the first option, account security, and you will find it the second option, phone. Click on it and here you can change it or add it. So what you should do right now, just click on change mobile and you will add a new number here and click next, and then they will send you like verification code and you will change it like in a correct way. So that's all. If this video is helpful and useful, don't forget to like, subscribe. See you next video.